Dear students, okay, today we will be studying about lowest common multiple. Okay, so how to find out the LCM of the given number. We'll be trying to find out and we'll be trying to solve the three different methods of finding out LCM. So the lowest common multiple of two or more numbers is the smallest number which is divisible by each one of the given number. So if one number can be divided, can divide other different numbers given, then it is known as the LCM. We use the three different methods, that is the set of the multiples number one, method number two, prime factorization method, and the division method. So here you can see example number one, that by using the set of multiples, since the LCM in the full form itself, there is the lowest common multiples, right? So multiple is there, that means we have to find out the multiple now. So find the LCM of 2 and 3 by listing the set of multiples. First of all, we have to list down the set of multiples of 2. M2 equals to, what are the multiples? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, like that it should be going on. And then after multiples of 3, since the number 3 is given, so set of multiples of 3, M3 equals to 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, like that, okay? You have to go keep on writing there. Then after, what happens? Set of the common multiples. Now among these, here you can see, okay, so among these, which one is the lowest common multiple? Let's find out first of all the set of the common multiples. So set of the common multiples, the first common multiple was 6 and 6. Then after 12 and 12. Then after 18 and 18 was the common multiple. So among these, which one is the smallest? 6 is the smallest. So the least common multiple is 6. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Like that you have to do. Now let's take question number 2. Okay, example number 2. Find the LCM of 20 and 24 by using the prime factorization method. The same prime factorization method that we have used in SCF also. Similar we have to use. 20 and 24 is there. 20. 2 tens are 20, right? Here we have to write 2. Okay, 2 tens are 20. Again 2. Okay, again 2 5s are 10 will be there. So 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 5 will be the prime factorization. Okay, prime factors. Again we have 24. 2 12s are 24. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So here now we can find out the common factors are 2, 2, 2, 2 and others are remainder 1, right? So what we can do, we can just encircle the common factors. We can encircle it like this. Okay. Those numbers which are common in both of the number, it can be written at one time only. Suppose 2 into 2, 2 and 2, this one is common. So I am writing here just one time. Another also 2 is common. This one also I will be writing just one time. And the remaining 5 into 2 into 3, we will be writing the remaining factors all the time. And now we'll be multiplying all these, the common factors and the remaining factors also will be multiplying, and the remainder, and the result is 120. So the LCM of 24 and 20 and 24 is 120. Now another we have is the division method. So find the LCM of the 15, 20, 30 by using the division method. Now what shall I do? We can just use division method like 15, 20, 30 at a time. But we should remember that while dividing this set of question, at least 2, okay, at least 2 number must be divided by a number. Suppose here you can see 15, 20 and 30. 5 can divide all 3 numbers, right? So 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20 and 5 6 are 30. So this can divide 3 numbers. But in case of 3, you can see here 3 1s are 3, it can divide. But 4 cannot divide. But 6 can be divided. 3 2s are 6. It can be divided. Hence, we can use this number. If this would not divide 2 numbers, then you should not use such type of number. Okay, we cannot divide more than 2 or more than that. So at least 2 numbers should be divided. And here also we can see 2 ones are 1. Okay, so no, I'm sorry. Okay, 2 you will not divide this 1. Okay, so it's simply writing 1 only. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Okay, so like that we have to divide by using the division method for LCM. So the LCM is now 5 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 into 1. Okay, so we don't need to write 1. If you write also, there won't be a problem. So the answer is 60. So the LCM is 60. Now look at here in example number 4. Find the smallest number which when divided by 24 and 36 leaves no remainder. So as I said, in highest common factor the word will come like largest, highest, okay, so that sort of will be coming. And in this LCM, lowest, smallest, that sort of word will be coming. So here the number is given 24 and 36. So by using the prime factorization, here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So here we can see the common factors. 2, 1 is there, another common factor 2, another common factor is 3 is there. So 2 one time, another 2 one time, another 3 one time, and 2 into 3, 2 into 3. Here is the, so common factors into remaining factors. So this one is common factor and this one is remaining factor, and we have to multiply all, then after the product is 72. Hence the LCM of 24 and 36 is 72. Okay, now let us come to exercise 9.6. Question number 1. Write the multiples of the given pair of the number and find their LCM. So first of all, we have to find the multiples of 2 and multiples of 3. Then after common factors, remaining factor, and then LCM. Let's try to do question number E. So in question number 1E, this one is exercise 9.6. okay, finding out the LCM. So in exercise 9.6 1E, the question is 6 and 8. Now here set of multiples of 6 M6 equals to 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 7s are 48. Okay, go on. Okay, we'll be just writing go on like that. Then after, set of multiples of 8 will be there. So M8. Here M8 will be there. That means 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, and 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48. Okay, it should be going on. Okay, now here the set of common multiples. Set of common multiple equals to, okay, one trick that I can share with you is that if you get the common, very soon you get the common, then you can just end up, okay, you can just end up by writing dash dash dash, because you are here to find out the lowest common multiple. No, that's why you don't need to just write to the end only. Okay, here we can see 118, okay, 24, and here also 24 is there, right? So 24 and again 48, and here 48 is there. So 24 and 48 are the common multiples that we have found out. Now among these, 24 is the smaller, so list common multiple equals to 24. Hence the LCM of 6 and 8 equals to 24. Okay, so other all questions are very similar. And another we have is question number 2. Find the LCM by using the prime factorization method. So let's do question number E here. So in question number 2e, the question is given 48, 60 and 84 is given here. Okay, see here we'll be writing a rough then we'll be using the prime factorization method. So 48 is there, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 12 will be there, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Another also we have, okay, let's write here the 48 is the number given, 60 is given and 84 is given. So the factors are, prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, right? So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 4 times 2 and 3 is only one time. Another we have is 60. Okay, 60 can also be divided by 2. 2 3s are 6, 0 is 0, 2 15s are 13, 5 3s are 15, or 3 5s are 15, that you can write. And here also 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Another we have is 84. Okay, so 84 can also be divided by 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21. Okay, so here 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 is the prime factors. Now here you can see the 3 in all these 3 numbers 2 is common. Here also 2 is common. Okay, again here also 3, here also 3, and here also 3 is common. So the common is like this, right? So the common factors, let's write the set of common factor. Set of common factors equals to 2 into 2 into 3, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 will be there. Another we have is the remaining factors. Remaining factors are 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. Okay, so here it is. So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 into 7s are 140. So the remaining factor is this one. Now the LCM. The LCM of 48, 60 and 84 is, now we have to write multiply common factors into remaining factors. So equals to 12 into 140 equals to, so 1680. I hope you are clear with this. Now let's try to do question number 3. Question number 3, find the LCM of the following number using the division method. So division method we can do it. Let's try to do question number E only. So here in question number 3E, the question is given 36, 100 and 144 is given, right? So 36 comma 100 comma 444, and this will be using the division method for finding the LCM. So let's find out. At first 2 can divide, right? 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 18s are, and 2 5s are 10, 0s are 0, 50, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Okay, again this can be divided by 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6 and 2 6 are 12. So now here it cannot be divided by 2, so we'll be shifting to 3. 3 3 is 9. Okay, 25 it cannot divide, so we'll be writing here 25 only, and 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 3 12s are 36. Another we have 3 can again divide, 3 1s are 25 will be remaining here, and 3 4s are 12 will be there, right? Okay, So finally this 25 and 4 is only the remaining, and we cannot divide it more. So the LCM, hence LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 25 into 4. So this will be equals to 3600, and the answer is 3600. Okay, now if you look at question number 4, then the question says to find the least number which is exactly divisible by 90 and 132. So the least number, lowest number, smallest number, it means same. That is, you have to find out the LCM. You can use any sort of method, either the prime factorization, set of multiples, or the division method. So you can do it, there won't be problem. And here also the step you can see here, Ram will be just stepping 30 centimeter, then Hari 70 centimeter, and Sita 90 centimeter. How far is B from A? So you have to find out the distance from A to B. But the same thing here, the common thing here we can know is that we have to find out here the LCM. That will be the answer of the distance between A and B. Okay, let's try to go to question number 5. Question number 5a, we have in our school the duration of a class in the primary section is 45 minutes, and the pre-primary section it is 60 minutes. If the both of the section beginning school at 10 a.m., when will the two bell ring together? This one is very important question and most probable question in all of the exams, in the final terminals also. So let's try to do question number 5a. Okay, so here in question number 5a, what it is saying is that the pre-primary section has 45 minutes, and what happens, another is this one is primary section has 45 minutes, and another pre-primary section as primary section equals to 60 minutes is given. So what it is saying is that both the first bell will ring at 10 a.m. When will the next bell ring? So first of all, we have to find out the lowest common multiple between the 45 and 60. Let's find out. 45 and 60 is there, and this directly I'll be dividing by 5. 5 9s are 45, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Okay, so this won't be, and now it will 3 will be dividing, 3 3s are and 3 4s are. So this cannot be further divided, hence the LCM is 5 into 3 into 3 into 4. 5 into 3 into 3 into 4 equals to 180 minutes. Why I am writing here minutes? Because we have used the number which was in minutes, right? So here also the unit will be in minute. Now this 180 minutes equals to how many hours? 180 minutes equals to how many hours? Equals to how many hours? So for getting into hours, we have to divide 180 minutes by 60. Okay, so 180 by 60 hours equals to 3 hours. Hence both bell will ring together again after 3 hours. 3 hours. But we know that at first the both bell was ringing at 10 a.m. Then after it will ring in after 3 hours, then 10 plus 3 equals to 10 plus 3 equals to how much hour? It will be 10, 11, 12 and 1 p.m. So hence it will ring at 1 p.m. Okay, so this will be the answer.